This video shows how to buy shares of Forward Air Corporation, a U.S. logistics and ground transportation company. Forward Air trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker FWRD, and this is educational content, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you typically must verify your account with an ID document and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker FWRD to find the company. Select the Forward Air Corporation listing to ensure you locate the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent performance. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and the ticker FWRD to make sure this is the right stock. To place an order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to allocate. Review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may be submitted as pending, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once the trade completes, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the video description for a link to eToro if you want to follow this example.